Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how we can customize welcome email which is being sent whenever user creates account in Siberian CMS app. So first thing, to identify the template or file from where the text is being used while sending email. So in your platform, first go to app folder. Inside app, uh, go to SAE, that is single app edition, and go to design, then email folder, then template. Inside template there is customer folder, and account is create.html. This is the file which is being used while sending welcome email. You can directly modify the text here so that your templates get updated, but it is not advisable because your copy may be erased while having future updates. So better to copy this file into local folder so that your changes are not like there your changes are safe. So before doing any modification in this file, we will copy this file to our local folder and assume this video as example for your future modification into any other templates. So this is generic or common rules. This way you can maintain your copy without affecting Siberian updates. So first you need to see the folder structure. The folder is inside SAE. It is a design, then email, then template, then it is customer folder. Now we will copy this customer folder. Customer folder is inside design, then email, then template. We'll go to local folder. We have to maintain the same structure here. Inside local there is design, but there is no email. So we'll create a folder called email. Now inside email there is no template, so we'll create a folder called template. Now inside template we have to paste this customer folder. We have copied customer, so we'll paste it here. So now we have customer, and then account, and then create and forgot password. We'll remove this if you don't want to keep that. So we are interested in changing this create.html. You can also change this change text in this forgot password.html file also. So what we'll do is we'll modify our text here. Now if you maintain the same folder structure, then your changes will take effect. But if you miss any folder name or something is not correct, then this change won't work. So we can just change anything. Instead of congratulations, we can remove this. We can have hello, or you can have you can change any other text. It is just plain HTML and there is some PHP syntax inside HTML, so it is quite easy to understand. And this way you can modify and save it. And don't forget to clear cache from your back office dashboard. If you don't clear your cache, your changes won't take effect. So always keep in mind that whenever you copy a file from SAE or MAE or P folder and you paste it in your local folder, it is compulsory to clear your cache so that your platform understand the changes. Now other stuff are quite simple. I hope you'll be able to change this template, and if you need any help, we can help you out, or you can do it by your own. If you need help from our side, please do send mail on support@nativeappengine.com. The email is given in the video description also. And please do subscribe to our channel so that you can get to see more videos in future. Thank you.